Hi guys, Adam from Temp World at Tweed Heads. I just wanted to talk to you about one of our most popular fridges in the fridge range from Engel, the MT-V35. Okay, so the MT-V35 is the latest version of Engel's fridge. Now it runs the legendary Fuji swing motor, which is very economical on power and has that awesome reliability that everyone knows and loves from the Engel range of products. This unit can be used as a fridge or a freezer and runs on both 12, 24 and 240 volt for all power options. Built tough, we've got metal handles front and back, a lockable front latch with an optional lock, and even though it's small on size, it'll still take a full-size bottle of wine in the front, or your taller bottles of soft drink, milk and juice, etc., because of that little divot in the top there. And that should keep everyone happy. Now, Engels are built with simplicity in mind, so it's a very easy display with a rotary dial, mode button to adjust your battery protection and temperature. So this unit comes with a 5-year motor warranty, which gives you peace of mind on the reliability and the engineering that goes behind the product. But for more details, pop online or pop into one of our stores and the team can go through it with you.